Well, good morning, everybody. We have ourselves another fantastic, bright, sunny day here in the Okanagan. And today we're going to get out and do some driving. So thank you very much for coming along on today's adventure. And we're going to start it off down by the lake. A little bit of a breeze today. Very sunny. Very bright. Anyways, haven't had a chance to get out and go for a drive recently, what with being sick and the car being broken and all that stuff. So we're gonna go make the most out of it. Not really sure of anywhere in particular that I want to go, but we're just gonna kind of point the nose of the car in one direction and see where the road takes us. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Here's a little bit of noise for you. Wow, I certainly enjoyed that. Quite a fun little blast up and down a little twisty side road there. Pretty sure I've been down that road in the winter. It's kind of hard to tell because nothing looks the same when it comes to summer and winter around here. So yeah, and of course the posted speed limits on these roads don't really match the tight twistiness of them. So I mean, I don't think at any point I exceeded the posted speed limit on that entire drive, except maybe for one spot for a kilometer or two over, but yeah, you don't need the speed to have fun. So you just got to find the right roads. And that's one that I will definitely be going back to. That's kind of all I had for today. I mean, it is still fairly early. I got a few things I got to take care of. My tires are high on the list of things to get dealt with because they're getting a little bit weak, we'll say. There's not much left of the rears and the fronts are getting chewed up pretty good. So we'll get that taken care of here in the near future. Yeah. So as far as the rest of today goes, I think I'm just gonna head home, play with some editing, maybe get the car washed, maybe put some tires on. I have no idea yet, but we'll just have to wait and see what the rest of the day brings us. But if you enjoyed that kind of driving and scenery content, be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, and leave a like on the video. And we'll be sure to catch you on the next adventure.